How to use PumpFun to trade Solana meme coins. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch any web browser on your device or simply browser on your mobile device, and you have to search for PumpFun. You need to make sure you open the official PumpFun platform in your browser. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Once you open it, you can simply connect your wallet. For that, you can click Connect Wallet on the homepage and choose your Solana wallet like Phantom or Soulflare. Approve the connection request in your wallet extension, and now you have to deposit Sol. Then you need to use the search bar or explore trending tokens and check token details such as price, trends, and liquidity. You need to make sure you select a token to trade and use the buy or sell panel to specify the amount. You need to confirm the transaction and wait for the trade to complete. After that, you need to track your meme coins holding and trade history in the wallet or Palm Fund dashboard. That's it. You are ready to trade meme coins on PumpFun. If this guide was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Drop any questions in the comments below. And happy trading, and see you in the next tutorial.